If you or your partner snores, listen up. Myth 1. Snoring is harmless. Wrong. Snoring usually means your airway is blocked, cutting down oxygen. That is dangerous. Myth 2. Only overweight people snore. Not true. Jaws and airway structure can cause snoring in young and fit people too. Myth 3. Surgery is your only option. False. Airway-focused orthodontics can solve the problem without going under the knife. Myth 4. It only annoys your partner. No, it's wrecking your sleep, your energy, and your heart health. Snoring is not a joke. It's a red flag. Get it checked out before it becomes something serious. Follow for more tips.